we are going to start the evaluation of thyroid gland, evaluation of goiter. That's how we evaluate. Evaluation. The first step the very first step in evaluation is the identification of goiter. That the goiter presents as neck swelling, a swelling in the neck. This swelling is not in front of neck. This is not on the neck. It is swelling in the neck. The first thing is that this is swelling in the neck that move with swallowing or deglutition. The swelling moves with deglutition or swallowing, that is called goiter. A neck swelling that moves with deglutition is called goiter. Okay, then we perform local examination. First step is identification of goiter. Second step is perform local examination that you have done already. In the local examination, we may find one nodule, solitary nodule, one nodule, or more than one. If it is one nodule, it is called solitary nodule. If it is more than one nodule, it is called multiple nodules. And if there is no nodule, zero nodules, then it is called diffuse goiter. Simple. Okay? Again, identify goiter. If it moves with deglutition, then it is goiter. Then local examination. So if one nodule, solitary nodule. If it is more than one nodule, is multinodular goiter. And then if there are no nodules, if you palpate no nodule, then it is called diffuse goiter. And then we check the signs of toxicity, which are labeled as yes or no. You will check the eye signs, you will check the hand signs, and you will check the reflexes. Then you got to know that if the signs of toxicity are present or not. Then we can make our diagnosis like this upon the toxicity. If the signs of toxicity are not present, if there are no signs of toxicity, it will be called as simple. If the signs of toxicity are present, then it will be called as toxic goiter. Okay, good. And then the next level is local examination or structure. If there are one nodule, it is called solitary nodule. If there are multiple nodules, it will be called multinodular. And if there are no nodule, it is called diffuse. Right? So, and we use the term goiter or nodules. Okay, now can you repeat with me, or you can tell me what are the possible diagnoses? The possible diagnosis is simple solitary nodule, simple solitary nodule, or simple multinodular goiter, simple multinodular goiter, or simple diffuse goiter. And then toxic solitary nodule, or toxic multinodular goiter, or toxic diffuse goiter. Alright? Is it simple? Thank you very much.